Welcome to Wheels and Wings, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, specs, and the latest updates from the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the BMW 5 Series, a luxury sedan that perfectly blends performance, technology, and comfort. Whether you're considering buying one or just want to learn more about this premium sedan, this review covers everything from its specifications to standout features. The BMW 5 Series has long been a benchmark in the executive sedan segment, offering a mix of powerful engine options, refined design, and cutting-edge technology. It comes with multiple powertrain choices, including a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces around 255 horsepower and a 3.0-liter inline-six with mild hybrid technology delivering up to 375 horsepower. For those seeking high performance, the M550i variant boasts a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8, pushing out an impressive 523 horsepower. These engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that ensures smooth and responsive gear shifts. The 5 Series features BMW's signature kidney grille with adaptive LED headlights, giving it a bold and elegant presence on the road. Its aerodynamic design enhances both efficiency and stability, while the lightweight construction improves performance and fuel economy. The available xDrive all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction and control, making the 5 Series a confident performer in various driving conditions. The adaptive suspension further enhances ride comfort by adjusting to road conditions in real time. Inside, the BMW 5 Series offers a premium cabin with high-quality materials and advanced technology. The 14.9-inch curved touchscreen infotainment system is integrated with BM's iDrive 8.5, featuring Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands for seamless connectivity. The fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving data with customizable displays. Luxury touches like leather upholstery, ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and multi-zone climate control ensure a first-class driving experience. The spacious rear seats offer excellent legroom, making long drives comfortable for passengers. On the safety front, the BMW 5 Series comes equipped with an advanced suite of driver assistance features. Standard safety technologies include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Optional features like hands-free highway driving assistance and parking assist further enhance convenience and security. With its refined performance, luxurious interior, and advanced safety systems, the BMW 5 Series continues to be a top choice for those seeking a premium sedan that delivers both comfort and excitement. Whether it's daily commuting or long-distance travel, the 5 Series excels in every aspect. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Wheels and Wings for more in-depth car reviews, specs breakdowns, and the latest updates from the world of automobiles. Stay tuned for more exciting content.